What are you barking at, Emma?
Now's the day. Call 1-888-288-0003. Help us go over the top. We're very close to our goal. Help us go over the top with your pledge, and thank you so much. So take a look at this, and we'll be right back. The early life of Josh McDowell is a story of hope, forgiveness, and abundant grace. Growing up in a dysfunctional family with an alcoholic father and abusive caregiver, Josh was left with deep scars.
She's looking right around here. Here, Emma?
It's a story of triumph that will bring hope to anyone.
Emma.
Difficult issue. To order your copy of Undaunted.ca, call 1-888-288-0003 or write to us with your best ministry gift, and we'll send you this book as a thank you for your support.
I do appreciate your support, friends. You really make a difference, and I think, Ron, we're approaching the goal, are we not?
Yes, we are very close.
So, my dog has been really acting weird today, as you can hear her. She's barking at the corner. I don't know, could be my dog that died last week, or whatever she's barking at, as you can hear her. So, could be barking at my old doggy that died last week. I don't know. I'm going to videotape some more around.